Now, the internet is becoming more interesting with diverse opportunity to make money for yourself, and there have been a huge rise in fintech apps. Now, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make between 800 to 8,000 naira with an app called Opay. Now, Opay is a popular fintech app in Nigeria that allows you to buy airtime and buy data, transfer money for free with no charges, and do many other stuff, even collect loan. But in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make between 800 to 8,000 naira daily by partnering with them. Okay, now I'm going to be sharing my screen right now, showing you step by step how you can do this and how you can achieve this with your smartphone. Now, firstly, you come to the description, you click on the first link you're going to be seeing on description, then you put in your phone number, okay, your correct phone number, then you are going to receive a 1,200 naira instant reward once you register right now. Okay, as you can see, is licensed by CBN, insured by NDIC. All right, so this app is also a saving app. Apart from being a loan app, being a app you can use to transfer and buy data and buy credit for yourself, you can choose to also save with this app. Now, just click on download and get 1-2 rewards. You just click on download, then bonus lock successfully. So you are going to be redirected to the Google Play Store where you can download the app. So just click on your Google Play Store. This is the app right here. Just click on install. It's going to install. So now you have installed the Opay app. You have to open the app. So once you open the app, you register your account. All right, allow. Okay, then as you can see, up to 15% annual interest on all weight. That's where you save your money. All right, and there are many other features you can enjoy from this app. Just explore it. Now go ahead and click on create a new account. Then they are going to ask you for your number. They are going to send you a 6-digit pin. So as you can see, the 6-digit pin has been sent to me. Then I'm going to autofill it and I'm going to confirm it. So right here, you're going to input your password. This is the password you're going to be using to log in the application or the bank app. So your password must be 6-letter word. So they are going to ask for an invitation code. You are going to click on it. You are going to enter this invitation code. Now this is the number you are going to enter. I'm going to leave the number in the description box or in the comment section. You can just copy the number or you can just screenshot it, then you copy it. Why are you using this number? So that I can receive a bonus, at least for telling me thank you for introducing this very wonderful app and this opportunity to you. So the number will be down in the description box. Copy it and paste it here, or you can just write it out, then you paste it here. So once you paste it here, you're going to go ahead and click on done. So it's going to ask you to input your face into this frame so that it can capture your face. So this next is going to ask for your identification method. Next, then it's going to load up. Then you go ahead and input your details, your first name, middle name, surname, date of birth, and all the informations. So once you have verified your Gmail, you are going to be landing in this place. But if you are having problems verifying Gmail, no problem. You can just cancel it and you can do it some other time, or you can change your Gmail account. So this is a walkthrough about the app and how you can get started. Like this is my Opay account. This is my Opay account number. All right. I have not gotten a visual card and I have not gotten a debit card. Alright, these are what I can request for. So once you register with the link in the description, put the invite code I'm going to put on my description, copy the invite code, or you can just write it out so that you can get your 1-2 cashback. If you don't use that, you are not going to get a 1-2 cashback. Alright, this 1-2 is your money. You can use it to buy a time, you can choose to withdraw it, or anything you want to use to do. And number one thing I want to advise that make sure you make use of this Opay because it's a very great app for savings, for transactions, for credits, or for data. You can easily apply for overdraft and you can easily get a loan for this app from this app also, and you can easily save with this app. So this is just the walkthrough how the app works and how you can create it. Now I'm going to be telling you how you can make money from this app, how you can make between 800 to 8,000 naira every day. So you just come to this reward section. You can just go to this refer and earn. Come to this reward section. You're going to scroll down. You're going to say get here. You're going to see get 800 naira bonus for each new users you invite on Opay. So you're going to click on it. This is where you can start making money from this app. This way you are partnering with them, sharing this information to other people. As you can see, if you can check up here right now, you are going to see something right now that people are already making money from this app. You check this top of this button, this top here. As you can see, so number just refer 4%. So number gets 4,800. so person gets 7,200. These are people making money from the app already. So what you have to do is very simple. Just click on this earn 800. Then you are going to be given your invite link. All right, now this invite link, you can just come to this more. You can choose to copy this link right here and you can share it with your friends. And this number right here is your invite. You are going to be having your own specific number, which is going to be this number, which is going to be your invite code. All right, so there are different ways to earn this app. Now you can enter him by adding money or by your buying airtime. This way you are getting what we call coin. As you can see, if you buy airtime worth about 200, you have 100 coin. This coin are what you can convert to money, and you can also use it to buy data, or you can use it to, or you can transfer the money. Now the other way is by partnering with them. All right, so partnering with them, these are ways you can earn money. This way, when you refer or when you affiliate for them, anybody that register through your link, you have 800 naira immediately. All right, and that person has 1-2. Now these are ways you can do this. Now number one ways is by inviting your friends and family. Okay, you can use WhatsApp as a medium, or you can use Facebook, Instagram as a medium by inviting people. All right, this way you tell your friends about it. You invite 10 friends a day, you have 8,000 naira. You invite 20 friends a day, you have 16,000 naira. Now the other way you can do it is by sharing information about the app. Now you can easily, if you have audience, or if you are someone that have audience in Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or even WhatsApp, all right, you have audience there, you can easily share information about Opay app. Okay, you can easily share information about Opay app to your audience. All right, telling them how good the app is, how they can earn from it, how the app don't charges anything at all when you do transfers, and you can invest in the app, like telling them the benefits of using Opay, the features about it. When you educate people about a subject, they will be interested in it. All right, so when they want to register, they register through your link and you have your 800 naira bonus. All right, you can easily tell them that, okay, when they register through your link, you convince them to register through your link, that if they register, they will have 1-2 cashback, because Nigerians or Africans will love something that will benefit us. So anything that will benefit them, they are going in for it. Now other ways to do it is by creating video content around it, like this one right now. Other place you can also share information about the app and earn money are platforms like Naira and Medium. These are platforms you can share information for free and you can reach out to a wider audience. All right, they have wider audience. Naira is a Nigeria platform that has Nigeria-based audience. You can write compelling information, write articles out there about Opay or about fintech app, and you recommend Opay for them by dropping your referral link or dropping your unique code. They are going to register because they are going to be interested in your article, and that's going to push them to register an Opay. From there, you have your referral code. If you have at least 100 people that read your article a day, at least you must have at least 1 or 5 person that will register. All right, that's how it goes. And Medium is another place, and we have other platforms you can utilize. All right, so this is how you can earn money from it. So with this way, you can earn between 800 to 8,000 naira every single day. And before I leave this video, I want to warn you for something, because this is something people are from doing. Please do not share your affiliate link or your invite link on anybody's DM, all right, so that you won't be spamming, because many people are fond of this sharing link to people's DM. People will block you. All right, don't just go ahead and share it to people DM. Do it in a professional way. So make sure you make use of this app. And lastly, to get your 1-2 cashback, you must be a user of Opay. Now Opay are in need of real humans, all right, not robots, because as they are giving out 1-2 cashback for every new user, people will just come in and register, get the 1-2 and leave the app. They don't want fake users. Okay, to prove to them that you are a real user, you must at least deposit something in the app. Now you can deposit as low as 1,000 or 2,000 on the app. All right, the money is yours, it will be on your account. They are not going to collect anything. They want to confirm if you are real users, because if they have to leave it that way, people will come in and register in the app and just take the 1-2 cashback and leave the app without doing anything. So they want to make sure you are a real user. By that time, you can do 1 or 2 transactions. You can at least buy airtime or just deposit money in the app. It's going to be yours. Okay, nothing is going to happen to your money. So I believe this video was valuable to you. So please drop a like if you know you enjoyed this video. This video was valuable to you. Drop a like and make sure you subscribe to my channel. All right, it's very important. Subscribe and turn all bell notifications so that anytime I drop awesome videos like this, YouTube will be the first to remind you that Evans just dropped a video. That way you don't miss out. All right, I drop valuable content in my channel every week. You don't want to miss out. So thanks for watching. Remember to use the link in the description and the invite code right there. Write it out and use it to register so that you can get your 1-2 cashback. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.